Bonjour, my friends. I'm Frankie, and welcome to Club Foodie. When Thanksgiving is over, I don't mind having a pile of leftover turkey meat because I can make other recipes with it, like tetrazzini, zucchini boats, croquettes, and so on, including this tasty one, which is my turkey fettuccine alfredo. With great ingredients, this pasta dish is an amazing one to make when there's leftovers in the fridge. So let's start. While our pasta is cooking in salted boiling water, according to package instructions, we'll go ahead and heat up some oil in a large skillet over medium heat. When it starts shimmering, working in batches, we'll add prosciutto slices in a single layer and cook until crisp, about 2 minutes per side. We'll transfer them to a cutting board or a plate lined with paper towels to absorb any excess oil and set aside while doing the other three. Next, we'll add the onions, season them with ground sea salt, and saute until they start getting soft, about 2 minutes. We'll now add the red peppers and cook them for the same amount of time, which is a couple minutes, before adding the mushrooms. We'll crack some freshly ground black pepper, add some butter, because everything tastes better with butter, and saute them for 6 minutes or until tender. To this, we'll add pressed garlic and quickly saute it for only 1 minute. That's all. Next, we'll add half and half as well as chicken broth. We'll turn the heat up, stir well, and bring the mixture to a boil. When it gets there, we'll reduce the heat and simmer gently for 5 minutes or until the sauce thickens. A few minutes later, we'll add our cooked turkey or chicken, both are interchangeable, stir the meat into the mixture, then add Italian seasoning, which the link for my homemade blend is showing at the top right corner of your screen, and some red pepper flakes. We'll mix well, and by the way, we're still on medium heat, and let it simmer gently until the turkey is warmed through. We'll now return the fried prosciutto that we crumbled, stir again before adding our cooked pasta. If you want to make it from scratch, there's a link at the top right corner of your screen. We'll incorporate the fettuccine with the mixture, then add a generous handful of grated Parmesan cheese, let's say about a quarter cup, and mix to blend before adding the remaining cheese. If we add it all at once, it might clump up. And of course, toss one more time. We'll serve in warm bowls and garnish with some chopped parsley. And my friends, this is our turkey fettuccine alfredo. Besides being an ideal way to use up your turkey leftovers, this is a delicious recipe to make. It's simple and yet so yummy. Brighten up your leftovers by making this tasty pasta dish. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!